I've been to a lot of so-called wellness retreats. Most of them are spa resorts with a green juice menu and a yoga class on the schedule. But in South India, wellness still means something. It's structured, intentional, and when done right, it's powerful. I went to 4 retreats across South India that aren't built for influencers or photo ops. They're built to help you stop, reset, and do the real work. Each one is different, from forest-based naturopathy to full-on Ayurvedic medical programs. And by the time I finished, I understood just how serious wellness can be when it's treated like a system instead of a product. Let's start with the one that surprised me most. And stick around, because the last one on this list is the most disciplined and transformative wellness center I've ever seen. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Now join me in my wellness journey across South India.
Wayanad Wild.
Wayanad Wild is set in 12 acres, and this 12 acres are surrounded by rainforest. This is a natural eco setup, eco forest setup. I think that is the best way to explain about Wayanad Wild. Another important aspect of Wayanad Wild is the food. That is another experience that guests always appreciate, and we concentrate mainly to the North Kerala cuisine, and our chef is with the company for 36 years, and he is from North Kerala. And food is one of the highlights in Wayanad Wild apart from the naturalist activities.
At a retreat that puts wellness first. This isn't a place with a yoga class tacked onto a vacation. This is structured healing. Through movement, stillness, and nature. You'll begin the day with yoga in the rainforest, not Instagram yoga. Focused. Foundational practice designed to open your system and restore your breath. After that, guided meditation. The kind that actually slows your thoughts and teaches your brain how to stop reacting to everything. There's a naturopathy program here, led by practitioners who take a full-body approach, addressing digestion, energy, sleep, and mood. And if you want deeper alignment, Ayurvedic consultations are available on site. The food is entirely plant-based. No guesswork. No processed snacks. Just locally sourced sattvic meals designed to support the therapies you're doing. You're in the forest. The nature here reinforces everything else, helping your nervous system calm down, helping your body stop bracing, helping your mind stay with you for once. Wayanad Wild is the reset. and it sets the tone for what you seek. SwaSwara. From rainforest to coastline, SwaSwara sits above Om Beach in Karnataka, and the moment you get there, everything slows down. This is a wellness retreat designed for stillness, for quiet, for space. Your days follow a soft structure. Yoga at sunrise, guided meditation after breakfast, art therapy in the afternoon, optional Ayurvedic consultations, and even more optional conversation if you're overstimulated, burned out, or just don't want to talk to anyone. This place is built for that. There's an organic farm on site. All the food is sattvic. Light. Clean. You'll eat seasonally. And probably better than you have in months. The Ayurveda here is available. No one's trying to upsell you on a wellness program. You choose how much to engage and how much to let go. This is the kind of place that gives your system space to breathe and maybe gives you permission to do the same. Coconut Lagoon. Next. You don't arrive here by car. You arrive by boat, drifting past water lilies and palm trees until the property appears like it's been waiting. The canals run between cottages. There's a proper Ayurvedic center here. Not a spa, a real wellness facility. Daily yoga, experienced doctors, customized treatments you can trust. And then there's the food. Traditional Kerala cuisine, locally grown and balanced. They even brew their own kombucha on site, and it's the best I've ever had. What sets this place apart is that the healing doesn't feel like work. You don't come here to do a wellness program. You just live well, and you feel the difference almost immediately. It lives it. Kalari Kovilakom. Now for something entirely different. Kalari Kovilakom is not a retreat. Set inside a former palace, and it's unlike anywhere else in the world. You hand over your phone. There's no caffeine, no snacks, no schedule flexibility. What you get instead is structured precision. Results. You'll be evaluated by a team of Ayurvedic doctors. You'll receive a fully personalized Panchakarma program designed to detox, rebuild, and realign your system from the inside out. Treatments are serious and frequent. Oil therapies, medicated ghee, herbal detox, yoga, meditation, silence. Meals are salt-free, served on banana leaves, and entirely therapeutic. No indulgence, no noise, and no halfway measures. If you want to feel better, this place isn't for you. If you want to change your health, your habits, and your life, this is where you go. It's the final stop on this journey for a reason. Because not everyone's ready for it. If you're ready to book one of these life-changing journeys, or build a custom journey with all of them, we'll make it happen. And when you book through us, you don't just get convenience. You get serious perks. The best rates, guaranteed. VIP meet and greet service at the airport. A private driver for your entire stay. Help with check-in and departure. And VIP lounge access at the airport. Whether you booked flights with us or not. But if you do book your flights with us, you'll save even more. We've been in this industry long enough to know what matters. We know how to get you in. And how to get you more. For less. Details are in the description.
Who's Your Travel Agent? YDagroup.com